When I'm evaluating somebody for a tummy tuck, there's two types of individuals. One that has lost weight and the tissues are hanging. There's separation of the muscles, so that even when they try, they can't bring their tummy in. Or there are those individuals that already have had children and the same thing has happened. Occasionally I'll get an individual with a very large belly that a lot of their size of their belly is intra-abdominal that I can't get to. If I try to do a tummy tuck and I tighten up the muscles, it will push everything inside up into your chest and it's very uncomfortable. And physically you can't push it in. So I do a very simple test. Lay flat on your back and see what your belly does when you're on your back. If it goes in below your rib cage, then you probably are a good candidate for the tummy tuck. If it still pokes out, then you got to lose the weight inside. Otherwise, you're not going to get a very nice result with a tummy tuck. So I prefer weight loss before, but while I'm tightening up the muscles, it will cause increased pressure in here. So when you eat, you will be fuller faster. So I always get another 5 or 10 pounds for the first 3 months after a tummy tuck, which I call it the tummy tuck weight loss bonus.